How to repost any sound or music or any track on SoundCloud easy and fast. So hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to repost on SoundCloud. First thing, go to SoundCloud. Now this is the home page. As you can see, let's just choose any sound. Okay, I choose this one. Now if you want to repost it, just go to the down here corner, click on those three dots like this, and now it will give you those options. Just click on repost on SoundCloud. After you click repost, now add the caption. You can add the caption like good one, and then click add the caption, and it's reposted on my profile. Let's check the profile now. As you can see, now it's on my profile as a repost. Don't forget to like and subscribe.